Hello, my name is Nadia Ramirez, and today I'm going to be talking about genetically modified and enhanced humans. So genetically enhanced humans are people whose DNA is modified at a point in their lives to improve their overall health or well-being. So at this point, DNA modification is mainly used for therapeutic purposes and to prevent diseases and to fight certain infections. It's evident that those who have gone through this process have significantly improved functions compared to those who are suffering from those same diseases. And because of this, many scientists are led to wonder what other purposes this modification could have on humankind. This topic is of great interest because of the unknown effects that genetically enhanced humans can have on the world. A lot of scientists don't know what the effects of genetically modifying or enhancing DNA can have on the world or population. But when people think of genetic enhancements in people, they typically think of things that they've seen in the media. Like, for example, in the movie Captain America, they see a small, scrawny man who wasn't able to get into the army because of how small he was, being genetically enhanced by scientists, and he comes out to be a big, strong man. So, because of this thing and this film, many people believe that scientists are over here enhancing human DNA or modifying it to create superhumans for an army of some sort. And because of this, they don't consider what other applications this could have for humankind. In recent years, scientists have developed a gene splicing technique known as CRISPR, which is CRISPR, which is an acronym for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. So that's what it's short for. And this technique has allowed scientists to enhance their ability to edit the human genome in adults and embryos. And somatic cell editing has also become a thing that many scientists have found and are currently developing that they hope will help them treat many devastating illnesses such as childhood blindness or even cancer. So there are a few controversies surrounding genetically enhancing or modifying the DNA of humans. Many scientists question the ethics of modifying someone's DNA or enhancing it because they don't know what effects it could have on the person as their life progresses. For those babies whose DNA is modified during their embryonic stage, they can grow up and have to deal with the positive or negative effects that this genetic modification or enhancement has on their bodies. The enhancement of human DNA is also highly controversial because it could have the potential to completely alter the social hierarchy, as people who are genetically seen as better, stronger, more intelligent are being placed into the world, and of course these people are going to be seen as above others, so it would just alter everything that we know. And where are things going today? Today, scientists are still researching new ways to genetically modify or enhance human DNA in order to help people in their health and prevent diseases that occur in today's world. And things seem to be moving towards finding less risky ways of altering human genetics that people can consent to and that will prevent changes that may harm an individual or their offspring. Many scientists continue to strive towards making humans that are genetically better by enhancing their DNA. And so they continue to try to find ways to safely do this, while others are completely against it and try to encourage people not to be involved in these types of things, so they are protected from any effects of genetic enhancements or modifications that go wrong, potentially. A lot of these scientists also fear the lasting effects that modifying or enhancing someone's DNA may have. Animal testing still seems to be going on in regards to genetically enhancing DNA, so a lot of scientists are still trying to find ways to do this in a safer way so that they can continue their research on humans. Overall, genetically enhancing or modifying human DNA can be seen in many different lights depending on how you look at it. I personally believe that genetically enhancing someone's DNA for things like therapeutic purposes and to help them get rid of some diseases that they're facing or to prevent some diseases is really good, but I feel like it needs to be really controlled, and that all the participants in the studies need to be well aware of everything that they're being put into and aware of the effects that these modifications or enhancements can have later on their body.